Vanishing village of Hoer Verde. The night time stopped. Picture this. A village where nothing ever trends. No tourists. No influencers. No headlines. Just people living quiet lives. That place was Hoer Verde. On the surface, it looked normal. Small houses, dirt roads, warm lights at night. But locals later admitted something felt off weeks before it vanished. People reported the same dream. Different houses. Same description. A soundless voice. A sky that didn't look like the sky anymore. Then came the night. Witnesses from nearby towns saw Hoer Verde glowing faintly after midnight. Not bright. Not dramatic. Just unnatural. At exactly 3:17 a.m., every clock in the village stopped. Mechanical. Digital. Battery-powered. All frozen at the same second. The next morning, Hoer Verde was silent. No barking dogs. No footsteps. No smoke from chimneys. Police entered the village expecting chaos. Instead, they found order. Beds made. Shoes lined near doors. Food still warm, like someone just stood up and walked away. But here's the part that freaked investigators out. There were no exit signs. No footprints leaving the village. No tire tracks. No signs of panic. It was as if the people didn't run. They followed instructions. Inside several homes, investigators found notes. Not goodbye letters, but reminders. Turn it off. Cover it. Don't look up. Every mirror was either covered or removed. Religious symbols. Gone. Why would an entire village do the same things? Without speaking publicly about it, authorities first suspected a cult. Then they checked phone records. No calls. No texts. No emergency messages. It's like communication stopped before the people did. By sunrise, military vehicles blocked every road. Hoer Verde was officially declared a restricted zone. And within weeks, it vanished again. This time, from maps, records, and history. But Part 2 reveals what was hidden after the lockdown. Because Hoer Verde didn't disappear randomly.